in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you've forgotten your MacBook password. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do from the login screen is just attempt to insert your incorrect password up to 3 times. And then an option would appear to reset. It would say restart and show password reset options, or reset it using your Apple ID. You would select the reset option and then proceed to sign into your Apple ID and then follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Once you've done that, restart your MacBook and then you would use your new password, and then hopefully that would resolve the problem. One other thing you can try as well if you're using the recovery mode. So if you are trying to restart your Mac, tap the Command and R key on your keyboard up until the Apple logo appears. And on newer Macs, you may just have to hold down the power icon. Then from the new window that would appear, you would select your user account and then select next, or the utility menu on the top bar and select terminal. You would type in reset password, all one word, again, reset password. And then you press the return key on your keyboard to enter that. And then you follow along with the new on-screen prompts to go ahead and reset your password. Again, the same sort of process that we discussed for the first option before. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.